Hello TSA, it's Mr. Mockbee, and I'm here today at Brook Middle School. We're talking about 2020 structural engineering rules for middle school. As we look here, the eligibility is a team of 2 per chapter. When you get to nationals, it'll be open event, but it's only 1 team per chapter. Safety eyewear. If you don't have safety eyewear, you'll be asked to put it back on. If you don't have it, you'll be disqualified. You must have appropriate safety eyewear either in your toolbox or with you to wear the whole time. Time limits. From the time this program starts, it's 3 hours. That's 15 minutes for planning, 15 for drawing, total of 30, and 2.5 hours for construction. You must be in competition attire for TSA. Here's the procedure. Before states, before national starts, you will pre-build a structure like this group has. You will have that structure labeled with your team number only. No names, nothing else like that that identifies your school and who you are. You'll check the theme and the problem from the TSA website, which will be the second video that I do that tells the specifications for this tower. You must provide a full-size 3-view drawing with the top, front, right side, whether it's hand-drawn or computer-generated, it does not matter. In the preliminary round, the pre-built structure will be tested with non-public testing for the structure tested to find out if it is meeting qualifications, if it is what it's holding for that. With the structure when you turn in, you also turn in the portfolio and a hard copy of your LEAP resume. You're required to wear safety glasses. There will be 20 semifinalists in the semifinal round. The semifinal round takes it down to 10 finalists, 30 minutes to review the problem, to create the sketch, 2.5 hours to build, ID number, and your advisor's phone number on your toolbox. Your toolbox is a certain size. It says so right here, how big it can be. Then we go into documentation. A clear report cover has a title page, team verification form, and that looks like analysis assessment guide right here. No, it's not here. None of these is your team verification form. Your team verification form verifies from your instructor that they saw you make this and nobody else made it. Analysis and assessment form. That is this one, analysis and assessment. If you don't have this yet, download it. Look on what it's got to be on there for all these teams. If you don't meet these criteria, don't even bother taking one of these to the competition. All right, middle school. This is judging criteria. This is the scoring guide for the judges. You've got to follow those exactly. Know everything on those papers, okay? Your toolbox, no larger than 20 by 10. Here's what you should have in your toolbox. Suggested list is a cutting device, no electric cutting devices. Adhesives, aerosol and electric applicators are not allowed. A bottle of Uncure, very highly recommended. Temporary fastening devices, straight pins, clamps, tapes. Cutting surface that you need to have on the table so you don't tear up the tables at TSA. Rulers, straight edges, scales. Abrasive sheets, aka sandpaper, is a very good thing to have in there. Pen, pencils, etc., etc. Wax paper, pliers and wrenches. If you need to pull a pin out or something out of your structure, it's very hard to do without those. Pliers, wrenches, nut drivers, safety glasses. What you'll get from TSA is 11 by 17 structure paper with grids on it, pin board, sheet of wax paper, and a secure label. Check out the next video coming up soon about the theme and the problem.